day. Look in the mirror, shawty.
Before I start on this eye look, I already applied my foundation. So I used the Maybelline Fit Me in the Dewy Smooth in the shade 360 Mocha, and then I mixed it with the regular foundation I usually use is the e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation in the shade Nutmeg. So this one is with it's deep with peachy undertone. So I just mixed the two and I applied it with my beauty sponge. So all I did was just like put a little bit of this on first, and then I put this e.l.f. foundation on top of it. Now we can get into the eye look. So today I used the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut to prime my eyelids. I'm also going to be using this as concealer today. So I just put some right here on my eyelid. This eye look is like super easy to do, so I'm just going to blend this out real quick. So I'm going to set this concealer with some translucent powder that I have on this Real Techniques. This is actually a contour brush, but I like to use it to like set in powder. So I guess it's for a contour powder, I'm not sure. But yeah, this is just some regular Airspun translucent powder to set in this concealer before I start on the eyeshadow. So to start this eyeshadow look, I'm going to use this Morphe palette, and I'm going to use this like really dark shade. So you can use like any really dark brown shade, something that looks like almost black but it's not. And I'm taking this Morphe M441 brush. Next I'm gonna start right here on the outer corner of my eye and just kind of pat it in, but I'm still doing like small swiping motions. And I'm not going to take this shade all the way across my crease. So I'm not taking the shadow all the way over here. So I'm just staying right here towards the middle of my eyeball. To cut my crease, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey to cut my crease. So I applied some just like on the back of my hand right here. And I'm going to use the brush to cut my crease. So I'm going to take some more of that dark brown eyeshadow and go right here, because to darken it up, because you can kind of tell I kind of added too much right here, but we're about to fix that, because you want the eye looks to look identical. So I don't want this one looking lighter than this one. For the eyeshadow, I'm using the Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette again. So the first shade I'm going to use is the gold. And again, I'm using my little paintbrush because I like to use this for like metallic shades or like glittery eyeshadows, because I can like pack it on. So I'm starting off with the gold color. I'm adding the silver also too, but I want to leave some room for the silver right here in my inner corner. Next, I'm going to go in with the silver in the same palette and put it towards the inner corner of my eye and kind of blend it in with the gold eyeshadow. So I'm using the silver to like highlight my inner corner. Next, I'm going to use the black from the Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette with the same brush that I've been using and just like dab it right here to darken this, the outer corner, just to add some more definition to the eye look and kind of blend this out too where the concealer stopped at, and then I added the gold eyeshadow because it looks kind of patchy right here. So I'm gonna blend this out and I'm gonna make the black fade in with the gold eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to use this matte eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. I'm not going to do like a full-on wing. I'm just going to add like some liner right here. I'm not doing a whole wing eyeliner for this look. So I'm gonna pop on my lashes real quick. Well, the other lash. For concealer today, I just used the e.l.f. concealer 16-hour camo concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut. I use this as concealer. For contour, I use the Black Radiance HD Corrector Concealer in the shade Dark. So this is what I like to use to contour, well, to cream contour with. Next, I'm going to blend out my concealer with my beauty sponge, and I'll go in with my stipple brush to blend out my contour. For this look, I wanted to add some burgundy blush because I just thought that it would look nice with this like gold silver eye look. So I'm just gonna add some burgundy blush. Well, it's actually an eyeshadow, but I'm using it as a blush. My camera's about to die, so hopefully I can like do the lip on camera. So I plan on doing a black glossy lip for this look. I'm going to highlight real quick using this little Black Radiance palette. My favorite shade is the shade Vacation, so just using it to highlight really quick. And I'm not going to do a brow bone highlight. I am going to highlight my little Cupid's bow because I'm doing like the black glossy lip. And can't forget my chin, so highlighting my chin. For this matte, not matte, but this black glossy lip, I'm going to use this little liquid eyeliner, the same thing that I use for my eyes. But since this is a matte, I'm still going to use it, but of course I'm going to put gloss on top of it. But the reason why I'm using this is because I want the lips to be like very precise, and I don't want it to move, because sometimes the lip liner, like a black lip liner, is gonna like move a little bit. So let's see how this comes out. All right, my hand is like shaking from the okay. We have our black lip, so now I'm about to just like kind of finesse this to make it look like the whole lip is like glossy. So I'm gonna just take some gloss. I just use some like regular, this is from Ruby Kisses. It's like a hydrating lip oil. This is a really good lip gloss, so it's like a clear lip gloss, but I'm gonna use this like on top of this liquid eyeliner. So I'm gonna just like put it right up in here, just to make it look like the whole thing's like glossy. I don't want to put it like all over because I don't want it to move. I just want it to look like the whole thing is glossy. It's kind of like how people be doing like the little, when people draw lips and they make it look glossy, they put white or something like right up in here. That's basically what I'm trying to do, but I'm actually putting gloss on it. All right, so this is the finished look, and I'm obsessed with this black glossy lip, but I thought it was gonna look like really cool with this eye look with the silver and the gold and the dark brown. So this is like another New Year's Eve makeup inspiration.